We've already got on the ship. We've already done our muster drill. Our rooms were already ready when we walked on. We are headed to our rooms right now. And our room number is 1379 on deck 1.
Ready for that room tour? You do?
Yeah. Our rooms are ready. All right, and guess what? Let me open these.
You know, also, we did not pick this room.
No, this room was part of a last minute deal for Carnival through the casino deals that we get. And we got the room pretty much for free, plus ports, taxes, and gratuities. And look at us, Kurt.
Gold. Yeah, we turned gold on this one. That's us.
Hello.
Hi.
That's hers.
Thank you.
We got one of them.
No, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you very much. Look at that. That was very quick.
I'm awful at these keys. There we go. Come on in and join me. The first thing that I noticed when I came into the room is they have a blank card here to keep the lights on. So we don't have to worry about putting our card in and out of this to make sure that the lights work. Here's the set of lights. Got a little peephole if you get delivery or somebody knocks on your door, you can be able to see who they are. And over here, you're gonna find the cabinet. Full mirror, which I won't show you. And hanging closet space. And over here, you have shelves, drawers, and a safe. And let me put in the secret number. We already have stuff in our safe. Secret number. Okay, so plenty of room. We're only on this cruise ship for 2 days, but I think this room would be big enough for us for 5, 7, 8 days. So let's check out the bathroom. Here are the lights to the bathroom. Here's the thermometer. Cool off, cool down. Kurt will freeze us to death before the end of the cruise. So here are the hooks to hang your towels or your wet clothes. Look at this shower. Plenty of room.
Do we get a demonstration this time again?
Plenty of room.
It's a big shower.
Plenty of room. Adjustable. Shampoo, body wash. These work just like any other on a ship. You turn one to cut on the water and one to do the temperature. Here's the bar. Here's the thing to hold, to put your wet clothes on if you need that. And look guys, look. Plenty of space for fluffy people or non-fluffy people. They got you covered. Okay. Mirror for makeup, plenty of shelving, plenty of room on the countertop, and there's a little cabinet there, but I don't think that it won't open. You have extra toilet paper there, a place to hang your drying towel, tissues, and don't forget, if you have one of those fancy smancy shavers, they got you set. Right here, hanging on an extra hook. I'm snoozing. So here's the makeup station or desk. It depends on what you're doing here. They do have a lighted mirror, which is always helpful in a room that doesn't have windows. Here is the European plugs, and I do highly recommend that you get an adapter because you can get them very cheaply on Amazon. Put that in there and now you have an extra plug. We do have 2 plugs here for you to be able to use and 2 USB ports along with your phone. And don't forget your fun time papers. Okay, there's a chair down here to sit, and there's also a little drawer here. I haven't figured out yet why they think it's a good idea to put a hairdryer in a drawer, but you know, who am I to tell them what to do? Trash can down there. Okay, so then we're gonna move just across the room. And look, here's our name on the television. I think that's really cool. I like that idea. The waters you do have to pay for, so if you have the drink package, make sure you grab a bottle of water while you're out and bring it to your room. If you don't, you can use these, but you're gonna pay for them. Okay? They have extra shelving here, and here's our towels for the pool. And don't forget our cooler, which already has our drinks in it. That's the great thing about having the mini pack of drinks. We put it in our backpack. It was easy to carry. We won't drink a lot. It's a 2-day cruise. If we drink all of them, it'll be amazing. So it was perfect size for us, but I think it would have lasted 5 or 7 days if we had gone on a 5 or 7 day cruise. We didn't bring wine, which you are allowed to bring, but we didn't bring it on this cruise. It was a quick cruise and we just didn't think we'd drink it in time. But you're welcome to bring it if you want. Let's look at, this room is actually an adjoining room, so if you needed that, you can certainly book the room beside it, which would be 1377. Okay, so this is an adjoining room, and you will notice that our beds are separated. Kurt and I decided that that was the best way for us. No, I'm just kidding. They're gonna put the beds together. They just hadn't done that yet. So you know what? Now would be a great time for you to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our channel. We have a bunch of videos out there now, and you can catch us live Monday through Friday on CME Traveling's Daily Coffee Talk at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. The beds will be together. You'll have a stand on each side of the bed, and you will have a light on each side of the bed. And these stands are really good because they have extra room in them. Of course, we have the place that you can put your suitcase. This mat right here is great for unpacking. You put your suitcase on it and it doesn't get your bed dirty. And the decor's pretty good. Neutral decor, nice artwork, and don't forget the lighting. So you've got lights up here, lights here that will be on both sides of the bed, and then one button, which I'm not going to push because then it'll be really dark. One button for you to push to cut everything off when you're in bed. So you don't have to worry about cutting the lights off and then trying to find your way into the bed without hitting anything. Thanks for watching our room tour. This is 1379, Deck 1, and I hope you enjoyed our room tour. Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.